I'm about to show you, I hope you're ready to see. This world, as complicated as it is not what you think. What you see looks peaceful. Well, look again, and you'll see it through my eyes. What I'm about to reveal is what I learned from your father. This world as you know it is in danger. Every 50 years, the planes of the multiverse merges, opening a doorway for Gondoliza's shadow warriors. Are we out of sleep? You.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about Chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story. Why so much light? And for that matter, who are you and where have you taken me? We're living in a world of pain, a world of death, a world where the innocent are constantly targeted. Hey! This is a world where darkness constantly clouds our bitter judgment. Oh, the brother, ya. Where you for? I'm for change.